In this video, I'm going to show you how to repair a cracked or broken toilet flange. I'm Darius of diypowercouple. This is a common problem. It happens when you have a rusted or corroded flange that has deteriorated and is now compromised. You'll know that flange repairs are needed because the toilet will rock or shift because the toilet isn't supported by the flange. This broken toilet flange caused our old toilet to leak and wobble. But I have a solution for you. The kit solved two problems for me. After I cleaned the wax ring residue, I noticed that the flange was sitting too low. I used the flange extension kit to correct the flange height, and I used a foam gasket, yellow flange extender, and flange screws to secure everything to my subfloor. I'll place a link in the description. This kit corrects flange elevation levels from 1/4 inch to 1 5/8 inches. This new repair will help you have a rigid flange and a stable toilet. To ensure that your bolts are lined correctly, you should know your toilet's rough end measurement. The rough end is the distance from the finished wall, not the baseboard, to the center of the toilet flange. This means you should set the flange so the closet bolts are at 3 and 9 o'clock. The term is called clocking the flange. Now you can place a mark on the floor where your bolt will be attached to the new flange. I used a drill bit to pre-drill holes through the flange extender and old flange into the subfloor. The main reason we picked this kit is because it also comes with long screws to help you install the new flange on the old flange and the surface so that the new flange is fully supported for the toilet. Now the new flange extender fits securely on the pipe and the subfloor. And it's within an acceptable height range. These bolts and nuts came with the standard wax ring that came with our new toilet, but we're using the extra thick wax ring. Use the plastic washers first to keep the closet bolts in place while you're preparing to install your toilet, and ensuring that they're in the right place according to the rough end. I chose a larger wax ring because I wanted to make sure the toilet had a strong seal after doing all this work. Now everything is level because we repaired the flange. If you want to see more DIY home improvement videos like these, give us a like, share with your family and friends, and subscribe to the channel. We'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching to the end.